Okay, just put this one up in there. Our weight's way light because it was way off in balance factor. Turn it 90 degrees. That's how much the air is. A lot. See how much that is? That's a lot. Not even close. That's how far off the flywheel was from the other side. See, this weight was almost perfect for the other flywheel. It was out of balance side to side. That had no real effect on this weight. But this one here is the opposite. It's way heavy on the bottom. And it's slightly off on this one side too. When it gets closer, you'll see it move. It'll shift over on you a little bit. So for now, I got to take a lot of weight out of here. It's got to come out of the bottom. Where do they drill? They drilled in the bottom before. And they like drilling all the way in through these damn things. See, they went almost all the way through. See, so I'm just going to drill some more holes right next to those holes. That is a lot of weight to come out. A lot of weight. Yeah, that's definitely a lot. Alright. I'm going to put a series of 4 holes, 2 on each side. They got to be relatively equal side to side so that when we're taking weight out, we're taking out evenly. If you don't take it out evenly, then it's going to shift on you quite a bit, which would be a bad thing to do. Drop that down a little bit so you can see better. Let's see if this flywheel is just as soft as the other one. I'd be shocked if it wasn't. Okay, so we got holes right here. We need the weight in the center coming out evenly on the side to side, so we got to put 2 holes over here. And I can do the same thing over here, so I have to skip these holes right here and put the holes equally on this side. That way it stays consistent side to side. So our first hole is going to go over here. Guess how far over I am. Precision measurement there. We'll go with it. I think that was the first hole we just did, right? Center. Yeah, a little bit too close. So let's move this one up a little higher. weight's going to be so far off center, it's going to be hard to do. You take more weight off closer to center. The further you drill off the center, the less the weight you're taking out matters for balancing. It makes the flywheel lighter. Doesn't help the balance very much. I'm pretty far off the center, which I don't like. And yeah, those holes are too far over anyway. Yeah, let's see what we got. It's way off like I figured it would be. Put weight over here. Need more weight in the middle. Too far away. That way will take some weight off. Comes right in the middle, right dead center. That's going to take a lot of weight off quickly. Chatter marks. I don't like sharp edges either. All right. Good deal. Okay. It's not balanced yet. Didn't take off too much yet either. Okay, let's see how close we are. Okay. A little dampening to it. Looks like we're still pretty centered, which is good. I'm happy with that. Yeah, we're pretty centered. Okay. And we're not too far off either. Yeah, pretty good for roughing it in, huh? Okay, so if I drill on center, it's going to have a big effect real quick. So I got two holes I can drill on. I got these two here. I'll take weight out pretty quickly, and they're both pretty much on center. These two over here, they kind of contradict the other one and shift it back and forth like this. So probably could have got away by not having that hole and that hole if I made these deeper. But I don't like having real deep flywheel. These are going to be, they're almost halfway through the flywheel, so I don't like being real deep. See how these ones here, they're just about all the way through. One of them was poking through. And right here is a dimple. It's actually a dimple right there what's coming through the other side. That really weakens the flywheel, especially when you got weak ass wheels like this. But they're not going to break on that side. They'll break up through the crank pin hole, but not there. Okay, so we're close. We need a little more of that. Appears to be pretty centered. Excuse me. Alright, let's put that back in there. Let's see what we get. Chips everywhere. Great, back on the floor again. Alright. centered pretty much on that hole. That appears to be off. Okay, how far off are we now? We're getting closer, but still off. A little drag on it. Let's see. I got to correct for any kind of off center right now, so we'll see where we're at. Definitely a high spot right there. Roughness down there, I think. It drops pretty quickly. It drops a little quicker on this side than that side, so it tells me it's probably heavier off center that way, which is where my hole's at. See, I look down directly center where the holes are at that you're drilling. So right now we're between the two holes right now. That's kind of where we're drilling. So right now, I'm not going to worry about this hole too much because I can contradict from these two holes here. I can shift it back and forth pretty easy. I'll continue taking weight here. I'm about that deep already, so I'll go a little bit deeper. I should be all right on that. If I kiss that hole right there a little bit, I could do that too if I wanted to, but I'll stay in my one hole there. Probably a good 3/16 deeper I got to go on that hole to get things equalized, but we'll see. The amount I drill is strictly from experience. I'm guessing. This stuff drills quick. Light cut. Still heavy. Keep drilling that hole deeper. We'll do a hole pull deeper. Closer. She's getting close. Probably that same cut I just did, I'll have to do again, but I want to check the center location. Right now it's sticking over on that side. Let's see if we go over on this side and see if it sticks on that side too. Well, it does go to the other side a little bit. It's definitely got some burrs on the shaft right where it's hurting me. So let's slide over a different part of the shaft and see if the problem goes away. Could be something on the wheels causing that, or could be the shaft itself is the problem. Definitely does not want to go more that direction. It's definitely heavier on this side over here. See how it sprung back? There's something causing that. So I'm going to move the wheels here. Turn both wheels a little bit. Come back and check it. It's definitely a burr, something, speck of crap in there, I don't know what. It's a bit smoother now. Definitely heavier on that side, which is here. So I drilled out of this hole here, it shifted the weight this way a little bit. So I gotta go back and drill a hole over there to bring it back over to where these things are at. See, I don't want to keep drilling this hole deeper. I'm getting pretty deep on that one already. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill this one a little bit and I'll drill over here. Okay, what I'm gonna do. I don't like putting flywheel holes in the flywheel all over the damn place. I already got too many in there I don't like, so try to keep them to a minimum. This is the weight. This is the counteraction. Still dropping. Haven't cut too much yet. Almost need another hole next to the other one, but it's too late now. Okay. Looks like we're pretty centered. Yeah, we're right between our two holes. Right between those two holes, so when I drilled that one deeper there, I had to contradict with that hole to kick it back. I didn't go too much because we're right back where we started. So I did the right thing. And we are close. See, it's real close. But see, it still is dropping, but we're close. That's literally just a couple little chips. That's all that is. Let's see, I'm going to put this right here. I'll be right back. Quite the same cut, close to it. Okay, let's stop that. See if it's got enough weight to keep it going. It does have enough weight to keep it going, so it needs more. You see I hit a high spot on the wheel there somewhere. Little piece of trash, that's all it takes to stop it. Okay, stopped over there. something. It's bouncing between trash. So somewhere there's some crap in the way. Okay, it's still got trash on something. I don't know what. This stuff's like cast iron. It's got a lot of powder. Maybe got some dust on all my parts here. Just clean everything all up here. Click once over. It's got oil on it down here too. That has some oil on there, so that might be some of it. Wipe the oil off. The oil would cause a problem. When it hits the oil, it'll stop. It's going to stop. All right. Clean those off. Okay, let's see if that stopped our problem. We're having a problem over here. Rotation not consistent. See, the problem's gone away now. See how it rolls like it's supposed to now. Yeah, I think I had some oil. I was running through oil, I think. Ooh. Okay, it's definitely high over here. Ooh, I don't have a hole over there. That's not good. She shifted. Oh, it's coming back. Good. Okay, I'm gonna put a hole right there. That hole right there is gonna get some material taken out of it. Gotta get back to where my holes are supposed to be. And we are close. Okay, so either one of these two holes I gotta hit a little bit to bring it back centered. How much do we need? The imbalance is about all that we got left. It's the problem. Very, very close. Okay. Look at a good tripod right here. How's this look? Got a good view of me? Look at that. I like that. Let's see me. I don't have to walk over there and do it. I like that. Yeah. Think about hit again, but nope. Hit again might be too much. Okay. So first thing I do is make sure it doesn't drop. So it's still going down. That means it's still heavy on that side. I like that tripod. That lathe makes a good tripod. Okay, we're going past where our hole was at. Good. So we're getting back on center again. Still needs a little bit more to go that direction. Okay, we're on top, almost on top of the hole over there now. And our air is how much? Virtually nothing. Okay. So we cut virtually nothing. I kissed those two holes. Okay. 90 degree. If it doesn't go this way, we're good. Still heavy on that side. Not by much though. Okay, we need some more out of that spot. So I'm taking out this hole right here, which is on the very bottom. Make sure you blow the chips off each time. Okay. Uh-oh. It's trying to go. It's going this other way. It's not good. It means I cut too much. Turn to 180. Which way's it going? It's going down this time, so that's good. It's not really doing anything, so it's pretty close. Thinking about going down, but it's not really doing much of anything. I think we pretty well got this one handled. Yeah, it's pretty balanced now. So we're watching it spin. See, it just keeps running and rolling. She ain't stopping anywhere. A little bit of a foot brake going on there to slow it down. Right now the drag of the shaft on the rollers was making it slow down. I think it hit a high spot on the shaft, kicked it back. Or it's consistently going to be heavy on that side. Let's go find out. Well, check it 90 degrees again. Yeah, just that happened to be where it stopped. Yeah, it doesn't want to go. Yep, that's it. Alright, that's how much it took to do it. So you got those holes, these two holes, those two holes, and that one we drilled down 5/16 deeper, at least a 1/4 inch deeper, probably 1/4 inch deeper. So yeah, it's a lot of metal. That's how far out balanced it was. Alright, there you go. That's how you balance these things. Ugh. This one's a lot lighter than that other one. Like I said, weight has nothing to do with balance. Completely different thing. So, there you go. 2 flywheels done. Alright, that's it for balancing.